Hello, groovers and shakers and awesome saxophonists everywhere. My name is Matthew and welcome to you. Welcome back to howtoplaythesax.com. Okay, now a quick little chat, please, about off beats. In this lesson, we've been talking about on the beat, on the beat. So here is my beat. We are going on the beat, on the beat. And off beat is not on the beat, it's on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Now, how do we translate that into what we've been talking about, where we're concentrating on being particular and methodical and precise on the beats? We've been talking about marching. How about we try this? Off the beats, think of the term oompa, like ging gang gooly gooly gooly, watch it, ging gang goo, shallowy 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 shallowy, oompa 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 oompa. So we're talking about on the beat and off the beat. The is on the beat, the pa is off the beat. So we've got pa oompa oompa oompa. So when we're playing our saxophones, if we can kind of keep that, and obviously we don't think oompa oompa because you'll turn into, you could use it as a meditation, you could use it as a mantra, but hey, when we're playing the saxophone, we don't need to do that. But if you can subconsciously at least be aware of it, oompa oompa, on off, oompa oompa. So let's translate that into our actual playing. Let's just try this. We'll just stick with a G, 3 fingers, no register key, no fingers on the right hand, just a G. So we're going to go okay? So is on the beat, pa is off the beat. Pa, pa. Pa, 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 pa. Now don't you say pa, because that's a bit weird. We don't need to go note pa, note pa. But I'm just trying to get it in your head. Let us try. So our beat is 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll just note, G, G, G. We'll just do that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Pa, 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 pa. Okay, so we've got the in our heads. Let's try, we'll play the pa. So think about it. 1, 2, just have a listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll go back to playing our playing on the beat. So we got pa, 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 pa. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to try and mix it up a bit. So we go pa, 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 pa. We'll try that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see the on and the off? Pa, pa. Let's try that little on-off beat exercise again. Ready? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Pa, 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 Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tricky. It's not easy. I'm concentrating there with my eyes closed. It is tricky. On the beat, off the beat, on the beat, off the beat. What I'm trying to do here with this lesson is just throw it out there to you. Wiggling your, it's not with the saxophone. Yes, there's a lot of wiggling your fingers. Yes, there's a lot of breathing. Yes, there's a lot of mouth muscles. Yes, there's remembering the notes. I am throwing into the mix, if you can, concentrate on the beat. Most music, there is a beat of some description. Yeah, rock and roll, obviously there's drums. Funk, there's drums. Jazz, there's drums. Okay, with classical music, perhaps there's not necessarily a drum kick, snare all the time, but there's usually a conductor who is conducting the beat. There is always some kind of beat happening. So you as a saxophonist, if you can, please concentrate on where the beat is and lock your playing into the beat. That's all I'm trying to say with this lesson. So I will see you in another lesson and we'll do another song. But you are awesome. You are rock stars. Keep playing your saxophone. Keep rocking. Keep rolling. My name's Matthew and I will see you in another lesson in the members area at howtoplaythesax.com. Thank you. Well done. I'll see you later.